Hey you guys, we are on our way into Kirkland's to check out their Christmas. Let me slip on my mask and I'll see you guys inside. Alright, we are done at Kirkland's. We just picked up some cool stuff and we are headed back to the car. So now we're here in Bath & Body Works picking up some things. I am obsessed with this store. Their things here smell so good. So anyway, we'll take a look around. Alright, we are just now leaving Bath & Body Works. I might have bought a bunch of stuff, y'all. I'm a shopaholic, I can't help it. And they have so many good smells, so I just went crazy. That's what I do. Anyway, I should probably go put this in my car. I'm gonna put this in my car and then we'll go to Target. All right, now we're leaving Target. Picked up a few things for dinner and we're heading home to make some tacos. And then, yeah, do some Christmas stuff. Alright, so here is what I got. I got winter candy apple. I got gentle and clean foaming hand soap, sweater weather. And then marshmallow fireside, I got 2 of those because they're the best. And I got a marshmallow fireside candle. And sweater weather. And marshmallow fireside room sprays. And this cute little soap holder. You can just pop one of the soaps in here like this. Isn't that cute? So I use these little things I picked up on Amazon to light the candles. They don't make a flame, they just make an electric little current, but it lights the candle. See? No flame, just an electric current. So, anyway. If you're interested in picking one of these up, I'll drop it in the description below. So on my next bit of a haul, I picked up this cute little letterboard sign. And then I got this and this little canvasy wall art. I thought they were super cute for the bathroom. So there's that. And then I got this little mug. Let me sip my coffee and overthink things. That is me for sure. And then I got also this mug. Isn't that cute? And then I got some candles because if you haven't met me, I'm obsessed with candles. So this one is Sunday Brunch. Smooth Coconut. Farmhouse Bakery. Angel Food Cake. And last but not least, Raspberry Turnover. Alright you guys, that's my video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.
Merry Christmas to everyone.